Alright, hey, how's it going today? My name's Eric. If you find any of this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. But let's get to it. Today I'm going to show you how on the free version of TradingView you can, there's this one indicator that gives you the ability to use more than two, which on the free version you only get two, but on this, actually, the indicators are almost limitless. It's really crazy. It's really nice. Maybe for advanced people, but I'll show you if you're new how to get into it quickly, do a quick setup. It's got buy, it's got sells, and do some trend lines and stuff like that. But let's get to it. Let's make this short and sweet. You're going to just go up here to indicators, click on indicators, and then you're going to type in DIY, custom, strategy. By this point, you should pop up this DIY strategy builder ZP, and it's going to be the creator here, ZPay ad. So we're just going to click on that one and have it pop up and come onto the screen. So this screen may look a little crazy at first, but that's okay. The beauty is here in the settings, which you can change anything basically. So we're going to go up here to settings, and here we go. Now right here is the main indicator here, and if I click on this, look at all these. These are for the buy and sell indicators. It has range filter, which is popular, super trend, which is really good, stochastic RSI, VWAP, and MACD, but the possibilities are pretty endless. Awesome oscillator too. All very popular ones are the ones. I'll just click on super trend to use it. And then also, that was the main indicator. There's also confirmation indicators. You could, you can also use other one. This one has this RQK. You also use super trend to confirm it as well. It's really the trend line breakout. You could do your research or VWAP. And there's RSI too, and there's MACD. It's just endless of possibilities here. But really what is good about here is right here down, as I keep on scrolling down, is this switchboard overlay. And so I'll click off these so the screen goes kind of blank, and then we'll have regular candles pop up. There we go. So we have regular candles. This is what you can do, is you can click EMA, you could click super trend, but if you click EMA, this is what's really nice about it. You click on this, and then you can just simply come down here. As you can see, they've already popped up. It's got the popular ones here, and you can change, if you didn't like the EMA, you could change to SMA. They got the RMA. I'm not too familiar with the rest of these moving averages, but they do have the popular EMA and SMA. If it was me, I would change this yellow. I like the yellow to be a 20. That's just me. I like this one to be 9, my red to be a 9, a simple moving average. If you see my videos, I do like this to be smooth, the 50, and then I like to change this to 180. These are just my settings. You do your own settings. That's just what I like to use, and I'm always tinkering with them, as us traders are. But so there you go. Then you could go back up and you could add things. I really like the super trend on this one, so you can put the super trend as well, and because it doesn't coincide with the other lines. I'll click OK and show you what I mean. See the super trend, real nice. So you can, it's not inside all the other lines. You still got the short, which would be the sell, and you still got the green, which would be the buy, which is excellent. So I've got over like 5 indicators, and this is a free version, so this is very nice. You can also do a sub chart as well, which won't let you do that. I think they get you away with this. You can still just do one sub chart, which is nice if you wanted to put the MACD or the relative strength index, just to verify the trades as well. And so, yeah, I think I'm going to leave it with that. I hope you got some great value in this. As always, paper trade with anything you hear from me or from anyone else online. Paper trade for a couple months just to get all the bugs out of this thing and shorten so you can have good trade, more good trades. So I'm going to leave you with that. I hope you have a great day. And as always, if you found any value in this, give me a like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next trade.